Looking for ways to increase profitability by reducing energy costs, or if you're in the property rental business, to boost your property's rental returns? SonFabrik is a specialist renewable energy solutions company operating nationally since 2012. We deliver energy security, financial savings, and sustainable power to farms, factories, commercial and industrial sites. Our services cover energy audits, system design, financing, and seamless integration with backup generators and battery storage. We design for optimal performance throughout the system life cycle. Our clients can expect increased rental revenue, reduced operational costs, and protection of their businesses from the devastating effects of electricity grid instability. With over 4 megawatts installed nationally, our systems deliver consistent results. We also have more than 80 industrial and commercial sites under monitoring and management, ensuring optimal life cycle performance. There is so much more we can tell you about our services and how they'll increase your profits. Let's set up an appointment and show you how we can increase your profits substantially. Do it right, first time, on time. That's us, SonFabrik.